Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install 3 latest Kodi add-ons on your Kodi app. This is going to be a quick video. I don't want to waste much of your time. So if you are ready to learn or to know how to install these 3 latest Kodi app, then let's begin. So first of all, what you need to do is to make sure you download and install the Kodi app on your smartphone from the Google Play Store. So after you are done with the installation, then you can follow this procedure to install the latest 3 add-ons. So first of all, I'm going to open my Kodi app on my smartphone. As you can see, I already installed it on my smartphone, so I'm going to open it. Okay, the 3 apps or the 3 add-ons we are going to install are Genesis Reborn, Incursion, and Covenant. So let's begin with the Genesis Reborn. But before that, there is a setting we need to do on our app before we can begin with the installation of the add-ons. So to do that, you go to settings. From settings, then you come to system settings. From here, you locate add-ons. Then you click on the unknown source. We then take yes. Okay, now we are ready to begin with the installation of the add-ons. So you go back once. Then once you are here, you click on File Manager. Okay, from here, make sure you click on Add Source. Then you type this address on your own. So I'm going to type the address. Make sure you type the address as you see it here. Okay, so make sure you copy and paste this URL as you see it here. After you are done with the URL, then you come and click on OK. Then from here you can give it a name, but I'm going to leave it like this. In your case, you can change it and give it the name that you want. Then you click on OK. Okay, so now what you need to do is to go back once. Go back again. Then when you are here, you come and click on add-ons. Then from here you click on this icon. Okay, now you select install from zip file. Okay, so you look for the repo. Okay, then you scroll down and locate repository.gss box. Then you wait for it to install. Okay, as you can see, add-on installed. So now what you need to go is to what you need to do is to come to the front. That is before the install from the zip file, you will see this option, install from repository. Then you click on it. From here you then locate GSS box repository. You click on it. There you come to video add-ons. Okay, here we are going to install Genesis Reborn. So you locate Genesis Reborn from the options. That is the third option. You click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be brought to this place. Then here you click on install. Now we wait for it to download. It's still downloading. It will download the file and then install the necessary add-ons on this folder. So we wait for it to install and then we continue with the tutorial. Alright, now the Genesis Reborn add-on has successfully been installed on the Kodi app. Now you can start to watch all your favorite TV series and movies. So now the next thing we have to do is to go and install the second add-on, that is Incursion. Then to do that, you go back again. You go. Okay. Then when you are here, as you can see, this is the Genesis Reborn add-on. That is the only add-on we have on this app for now. So we are going to install the second add-on. So to do that, you go back to the settings, then File Manager, add source. We then paste this URL or address as I'm going to do it on my own. Make sure you type this URL as you see it on my own. Okay, this is the URL. Make sure you have this same URL typed on your own Kodi app. Then you click on OK. From here, you give it a name. So we are going to call it Incursion. Okay, now you click on OK, then OK. Alright, now go back again. Then from here you locate add-ons. Okay, then you click on the icon here. Now install from zip file, then locate Incursion. Alright, then click on repository. Okay, then repository.incursion. Okay, Incursion repository. You wait for it to install. Alright, add-on installed. So now you click on install from repository. Okay, then you select Incursion repository. Now video add-ons. Okay, from here you can select the Incursion, that is the third option. Then you click on install. It's downloading. Let's wait for it to finish. Alright, now Incursion has also been installed on our app. Then let's get to the last add-on, that is the final one. We are going to install Covenant on our Kodi app. So to do that, we'll go back again. You go back again, back, and here. Then once you are here, you click on the settings, file manager, add source. Then you go down and click on add source. Okay, so from here you make sure you type this address as you see it on the screen. Alright, make sure you type this same URL on your address. Then you click on OK. From here you can give it a name, but I'm going to leave it as it is. Then you click on OK. Okay, now you go back again. Okay, once you are here, you then click on add-ons. Then you click on this icon, then install from zip file, locate repository.xvbmc. Alright, then click on repository. You wait for it to install. Okay, it has now been installed. Then you click on the install for repository. Now you locate the xvmbc. Okay, then you come to video add-ons. Alright, then from here, these are the various channels. So here we want to install Covenant. Then you click on Covenant, then install. You wait for it to finish downloading. Alright, Covenant has been installed. Wait for it to reach 100%, and that is all. You are done with the installation of Covenant. Now you can go back and select any of the add-ons, whether Genesis Reborn, Incursion, or Covenant, and you should be able to watch all your favorites, movies and TV series. As you can see, you see the check mark on the Covenant. This shows that it has been installed on our app. So now you can go back to the home and select any of the add-ons. Alright, as you can see, these are the 3 add-ons we've installed. That is Genesis Reborn, Incursion and Covenant. So from here you can click on any of the add-ons and you should be able to watch your favorite movies on them. So this is how we install the 3 latest add-ons on Kodi app on your smartphone. Please, if you find this video helpful, subscribe, comment and like for more videos to come. And please, thank you for watching once again and have a nice day. Bye.